Welcome! Now I'll show you how to change icon shape into your Realme 5i. First step, go into Play Market and find X icon editor application. This one. Need to install. Wait a second for installing. And now click open. Wait for loading this application. Need click ads. And now need choose your application. For example, bus simulator. Maybe this one. Click. And first option is this, we got background color, and next option it's shape. So if you want to choose shape, for example, change shape, sorry, you need to choose from this list, for example, like star, maybe it will be your like shape. So for saving, click OK in the top right corner, wait a second for generating, and now need to click add one more time, and click add to home screen. And now we got a new icon of our bus simulator application. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.